Hey guys, look what we did. Look what we did.
Thank you.
Woo! The girls, I said something. Give me a hand.
We are getting late. What time?
นี่ล่ะ
Thank you for going to
Coach.
We sell popcorn, souvenirs. Penny, come. Nadia, come. Hey,
This is where you want to see.
come.
You find it, bring them again.
You ready?
What is something you should watch?
Wow, you got a cotton candy. Let me open it for you. Not that big. I know that it's yours. I'm not taking it away from you. But I'm gonna try. Whoa. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting.
You still in the pocket.
5:18. How are the people them there? Where's Circus there? Me I wait.
I'll be ready to experience the magic, emotion, and joy of the circus. I can't hear you.
Wow. guys, we are outside. And Era requested a spaddy. What a request?
Yes, official. You know, see,
What a chest high.
No, let me tell you something about Jamaica. No man, I don't taste it. See, if you go up on the road with your face full about not me and Nana. Wife. So you don't want nobody see me. I wrote nothing.
So only wife have to do that?
Yeah.
Is a wife requirement?
Just know, yeah, if you have a wife, you're supposed to
What about girlfriend? She not have to do them
So
so.
girlfriend have to do it too. So if you say I'm on the road and you're not a girlfriend, you face up. So
Yeah.
So you invite woman to see me. So you want to start them from
No,
seeing?
sir.
Yeah, so you have to make sure there's no bump
You
there
have
in your face.
manipulated. Catch a life.
But tell
Manipulation
her in the comment section, yeah?
life.
Tell her she don't believe me. Because me as a teacher, something new about the culture. You know? So
Yeah.
that's something new. Yeah, I just Jamaican.
Some have to
culture.
squeeze your bums
Yeah,
and them
you know,
things.
one bump them face and carry from the
What
guy.
about
Say,
me?
yeah, you know,
Oh, you take care back.
You know the bump there.
Oh, you take care of me back.
I take care of
What you do? Foot massage?
Yeah, but good question.
Make sure you know.
Good question. Yeah, man.
Hey, make sure you not forget.
No.
May I request me foot
Alright,
massage
massage
then?
Gonna go inside. What
Yeah,
massage
squeeze your bums and massage my feet.
There's a massage and she jump like she a quad.
No,
You know,
sir.
when you get a strong massage, yeah.
Yeah, that
dance.
no, you have to be gentle. Take time with me, a girl.
Not true. You're not man. So, yeah. You know when you're a footballer, you get massage.
Yeah, squeeze and no, me I got to tell you stop, and your shift done.
No man, alright, so I'm using my massage and I'm going gently.
Alright, so yeah man, so me have here my witch hazel for sanitize. Errol said to me, Swaggy, I don't really need them something, but I feel like yeah, my cotton buds
Yeah, you want the fancy thing then?
and my tools them, my squeezing tools. Yeah. I'm gonna show you my squeezing tools them. Yeah. See that? Squeezing tools for squeezing bombs. And them well use cause I use them hard though. Me not really squeeze bombs from my face cause me not really believe in them something. I believe that one round move and you can catch a skin cancer. I'm afraid of the bombs. So
But listen. I
Yep.
had people used to tell me, he said, if you don't squeeze the button them and then them left me all on my face.
me know a
Me
person
younger?
personally. Me know one lady. She squeezed a big bump on her face and she had a skin cancer after. So she had to treat herself. So and that is Lionel's godmother. So
was that an acne bump or just some other kind of bump?
well, me don't know what kind of
Most some
bump.
other kind of bump.
But
Because
she
as I said,
squeezed it and then she found out she had skin cancer. That's why I'm afraid of them something, you know.
a good topic is, you know. So when you're younger, and when you're in your teens, nobody really like telling a formula how to deal with acne. And you get to find out that some people bleach, well, most people bleach each other. Because we used to do them, so when you bleach, yeah, I hope they get rid of the bump them, but that not work. Some people tell you
That
don't
no
squeeze
work.
them, and then them left hole in your face.
And your skin
So,
get red.
yeah, so
skin
me need to
red.
save Leo and Ronaldo, because if them get my skin, oh god, them are gonna, when them reach all 12, 13 bumps,
Me used to have a lot of bumps too, you know.
I'm listening to signs of it.
Not for now, cause I outgrow that period, like teenager stage, but I
Well.
had enough too.
Look like me now, good.
Yeah.
I need a 40 of slap up.
But them say it good you gonna have more time for you to stay younger, cause your skin is well oily and you know the wrinkles.
Well,
Drier skin, your wrinkles will show more.
It's a lifetime stress me have to deal with. So me I think Omega save
But
them.
yeah, man, you
Yeah,
can't
me a man,
really
no, but I'm proud of them, you know, see some of the
think
business.
about them.
You look like
things.
business?
Yeah. But yeah,
But
but
we just try to make sure it don't look too bad. But yeah, as I'm saying, I'm in teen years, we never know what to do. You try everything.
so hold on, you have little holes on your cheeks. That is a result of your
I've not
squeezing.
squeezing them. I've
Oh, not
Yeah.
squeezing.
When you not squeeze them, so kids, if you watch this, learn. Don't let them when people tell you that. People used to tell me a kind of madness.
But just don't squeeze
Yeah, you
your
know
bums
what,
with dirty hands. That's the next thing. 'Cause you can get yourself
Yeah, but
infection
yeah,
or
that's
something.
really dirty.
Just sanitize. Always sanitize your
Let me tell the kids
tools,
then.
your cotton pads. Yeah.
Not only kids, the place when name Apex. I them save my life, you know. Big up Apex. Hey, me stop acting like ridiculous. Ask anybody who know me, I'm a teenager, like ridiculous. I mean, like face just bump everywhere. And
Okay.
when my father met me go Apex place, and then they prescribe one soap named Sastid, and you realize that's why I don't trust medical people. The soap that do so good. So if I get the soap, the bump them literally go away, and all of a sudden them stop selling the soap. You know, see the soap now. It used to come now like a pinkish looking box with Mark Sastid on it. Me need to check. You know, me need to check Amazon if I can find it. Yeah, then just start make it and them start make this look a full one. It have sulfur in it. I think the sulfur the ingredients.
Okay.
For going.
Okay.
You know that work.
Oh, that comes with little sponge for rub your face.
But we used to use the Sastid just hands on. But me I tell you, so me get it. Oh God, bump them just gone. And then them just stop selling soap. I'm selling them a new one now. And that one then crap, not the shit. Sorry for the language.
Okay.
So yeah, remind me.
So do you have a skin routine as a man? Or you don't really care? You just bathe yourself or you bathe your face too?
No, but before that, when we have Saturday, that was it. But before that, you wash your face and you use whatever soap you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a juvenile. No, honestly, no, I don't use no.
And you say you try cake soap too?
Yeah, man, a Jamaica culture, man, cake soap, everything, man. And,
On your face?
Yeah, that's before
China star.
So when you're in school, as you go to school with the cake soap, you wash your face, make your face cool. Let me say.
Cooler?
Face with the cake soap.
That's dangerous.
No, I just, believe me, when you go to
So
school
much chemicals?
Cake soap.
Wash my panty with it.
Wash the panty soap. When you have carbolic soap, the red one, you know that one there?
Yeah?
Sure, nice soap, man. That every girl would have one carbolic.
The red one?
Yeah, the red one or the blue one with a cake soap. And your friend, you hold on and washing the face with one soap before school over for go to the road cool.
No, sir.
Yeah, man, that was the thing. But yeah, to be honest, no, I don't do nothing. I just wash my face with water when I do it. And I do that. No stress. Only thing though, I don't know, to my face oily, I like use, I feel like I'm use lotion or any face something cream.
Okay.
It more bumpy, I don't know why.
You can use it.
And if I don't use any face
You're
lotion
right.
or nothing, my face is dry.
Yeah,
I
right.
can't win the battle. So
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, I'm the business now.
Back to the business. Back to the business.
Back to the business. Yeah, come give me a coffee shop, love. Come give me love. Get them girls in Samara. Come. Mila. You
I
don't
will
want
charge
no
you.
acne, Mila.
Man, me charge you.
No, not at all.
Man, me charge you. In a USD. Not even JMD, me I got charge you.
Yeah.
See it?
See, it says pads. Pad, it says banana.
Board.
Errol no want me to call it cotton pads, cause say no want no pad go on his face.
Well, I think can't say cotton board. Cotton board, no one going to eat.
No, board is like a ball.
Yeah.
So this one is like a flat
It's called cotton.
something.
Cotton.
Like a pad. Errol no want me to call it a pad. Cause say no pad to go on his face.
It's a cotton. I think the iron thing work good, but it painful.
The iron painful?
It depends on how much pressure you put on it, yeah. I guess the deeper there, the more pressure you put, the more you feel it.
That can be my side hustle. Bomb squeezer, Swaggy. Squeeze your every little bomb. This is my slogan. Squeeze your every little
You know,
bomb.
you come touch me the dirty pan, you know? Alright, I appreciate the touch anyways.
The result. I'm just gonna wipe it better. And Errol is before and after.
Before and after, so you spot.